Looking for the best BISSELL vacuums in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top BISSELL vacuum cleaners you can buy right now for pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. From powerful uprights to smart wet dry cleaners, BISSELL has something for every home. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. BISSELL CrossWave Edge Cordless. The BISSELL CrossWave Edge Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum 4329F is a versatile cleaning machine designed to vacuum and wash floors at the same time, making household cleaning faster and more efficient. Its cordless design provides freedom of movement, while the edge cleaning technology helps reach corners and edges for a more thorough clean. It features a tangle-free pet hair brush roll that effectively picks up pet hair and debris without clogging, making it ideal for pet owners. The Fresh Start filter helps reduce odors for a fresher cleaning experience. It also comes with a storage and rinse tray for easy maintenance, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for hard floors and area rugs. Number 2. BISSELL FlexClean FurForce Robot Vacuum. The BISSELL FlexClean FurForce Robot Vacuum and Mop 4270L is an advanced smart cleaning device designed especially for homes with pets. It combines powerful vacuuming and mopping functions to effectively remove dirt, dust, and pet hair from hard floors and rugs. Equipped with LiDAR navigation, it intelligently maps your home for efficient and precise cleaning coverage. The no-tangle pet brush roll helps prevent hair clogs, while the liftable mop pad allows smooth transition between vacuuming and mopping modes. With up to 180 minutes of runtime and a 60-day dust collection capacity, it offers long-lasting, low-maintenance performance. This robot vacuum provides a convenient and hands-free solution for keeping your home clean. Number 3. NARWAL S30 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The NARWAL S30 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful cordless cleaning device designed for efficient floor care, combining vacuuming and mopping in one system. It delivers strong 20,000 pascals suction to effectively remove dust, dirt, and liquid spills from hard floors. The tangle-free hair cutting technology helps prevent clogging, making it ideal for homes with pets or long hair. Its 180 degrees lie-flat design allows easy cleaning under furniture and tight spaces, while edge cleaning ensures thorough coverage along walls and corners. The 194 degrees Fahrenheit self-cleaning function keeps the roller hygienic after use, and the disposable waste bag adds convenience by simplifying debris disposal. This all-in-one vacuum mop offers a modern and hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 4. EzyTidy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. EzyTidy Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning device designed for efficient home use, featuring a 650W motor with strong 55 kPa suction for deep cleaning performance. It offers up to 70 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for cleaning large areas on a single charge. The self-standing design allows for convenient storage and easy pauses during cleaning, while the 3.3 feet extendable hose helps reach tight spaces, corners, and elevated areas. A built-in LED touchscreen provides easy control and real-time updates on battery life and settings. Lightweight and easy to handle, this stick vacuum is ideal for removing pet hair, dust, and debris from floors, carpets, and furniture. Number 5. BISSELL PowerClean DualBrush 280W. The BISSELL PowerClean DualBrush 280W self-standing cordless vacuum is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution designed for everyday home use. It features strong suction powered by a 280W motor and dual brush technology to effectively lift dirt, dust, and pet hair from multiple surfaces. The auto-adapt technology automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, ensuring optimal cleaning performance. Its self-cleaning brush roll helps reduce hair wrap and maintenance effort, while the removable battery allows for flexible charging and extended cleaning sessions. Equipped with bright headlights for better visibility and an upholstery tool for furniture cleaning, this cordless vacuum offers efficient and versatile performance in a lightweight, self-standing design. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home cleaning and product buying guides. All product links are in the description below, check them out.